Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to send USDT from Bitmart to Bitrue in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresh, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring USDT like a pro in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitmart and Bitrue. Log into your Bitmart account using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet or Assets section. It's usually in the main menu. Here, you'll see all your cryptocurrencies, including USDT. Select USDT from your list of assets. This will take you to the withdrawal or transfer page. Next, you'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address. Double-check that you're pasting the correct Bitrue wallet address for USDT. Crypto transactions are irreversible, so accuracy is key. You can find your Bitrue wallet address by logging into Bitrue, going to your wallet, and copying the USDT address. Make sure it's the right network, like TRC20 or ERC20, depending on what Bitrue supports. Now, specify the amount of USDT you want to send. Always leave a little extra for network fees to avoid any issues. Review the transaction details carefully. One last double check before you hit confirm. Once you're sure, go ahead and confirm the transfer. You'll get a confirmation message and the transaction will start processing. While you're waiting, keep an eye on the Blockchain Explorer or your Bitrue account to track the transfer. It usually takes a few minutes, but times can vary based on network congestion. And remember, for 2025, always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to keep your funds safe. There you go. That's how you send USDT from Bitmart to Bitrue. It's straightforward once you know the steps, but if you run into any hiccups, double-check your addresses and fees. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. What's your next crypto move? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.